how to manage your cash, your income, your inflow. This is targeted at beginners, people who are just starting out, who have zero experience when it comes to managing money, right? Now, I want to know one thing about business is that if you do what you're supposed to do in business, you would make money, guaranteed. You would make money. But then, while making money, would you repeat my mistake? Now, let me share my experience with you when I started making money. Okay, so when I started making money, my income grew, but then my expenses followed my income. Okay, I stopped cooking. I started eating out. I started buying stores. The money was there. The money was coming in, constantly. But then at some point, I noticed that I keep making a lot of money, but then I keep going in circle. Like I don't see the money I am making. I don't see there is nothing, there's no tangible stuff reflecting in my account. But I'm seeing that my account statement is showing me I'm spending this amount of money, there's this amount of money coming into my account, but I can't account for it. You get a lot of beginners fall into this trap. It's not intentional, it's just that it's something that's part of humans. When you've not touched a certain amount of money, when you touch it, you feel it's not going to finish. You get it's just a part of all of us. Okay, there's something I posted, I replied on Twitter. Let me show you that post. Okay, so I don't know if you know, I don't know if you know who Temilor is. He's a very big guy, okay, in the digital marketing space. He was like, he made a quote, he made a post. He was like, stop trying to reduce your expenses, focus on growing your income. But then, due to my own experience and what I know to be true, especially looking back at where I started from with zero financial experience and stuff like that, and the fact that I know a lot of Nigerians are under that level, a lot of Nigerians are in that positions, a lot of Africans are in that level, that position where they have zero experience about how to manage money and how money works and stuff like that. That was why I had to drop this reply. And what I said was, he said, stop trying to reduce your expenses, focus on growing your income. I was not like, do both. If you're just starting out and you don't reduce your expenses while increasing your income, trust me, your expenses will go hand in hand with your income. Get disciplined when it comes to how you spend while focusing on growing your income. Now, this quote is a summary. It's a summary. This is the only thing I tweeted. And it's a summary. You may not understand how deep this is until you've experienced it. When you start touching money, everything and anything that can take it from you will come to you. Your friends will have issues, they'll need to borrow, something will happen at home, there'll be a lot of things coming to take your money. If you do not know how to manage your finance, you will not grow. If you don't know how to separate your finance and break things down so that you don't take money from your business consistently, you would not grow and your business will not grow. Okay, so that is why I created this video. I want to teach you how the system I use as a beginner. Now, that's not the same system I use today. I won't give that system to beginners because I believe beginners they are not experienced and they tend to have this feeling to spend more when they make more money. Okay, so the more you use this my process, the more you learn about money, and the more once you get used to it, you increase your income so that you can make a lot of money to spend. If spending is your problem, all right. So the rule I used as a beginner then was called the 70-20-10 beginners rule. Now this rule, I just when I did my calculation and everything, from things I consistently did, I figured out that I put back 70% of my income from my business back into my business. 20% I use it on myself, and 10% I keep it for investments. You get now you can do this daily, you can do this monthly, you can do this weekly. That is when you compile all the money, you remove 20%. But since you spend daily, maybe you can do yours weekly. You can remove the money weekly. Maybe if they remit today, by the end of the week you remove it, or if they remit today, by the end of the day you remove it. It doesn't matter. All you have to understand that you have to separate this thing. You have to break it down. Why? Your business is still at the beginner's level. You cannot afford to be spending your business money carelessly. You cannot afford to be spending your business cash carelessly. Your business is a child. You need to feed that business. You need to invest in that business. You have to reinvest your profit back into the. That is why you have to put back 70%. You are a beginner. You cannot afford to be putting 30%. You cannot afford to be putting 50%. You are starting out. Because one thing you have to understand is that without your business, there's no money at all, at all. There's none of this percentage. So why not focus on growing your business first? Then you can now increase your percentage as, and funny enough, you can maintain this for a very long period of time. Because let me explain it. Let me explain it before we even go further. So what this rule means is 70% of every money goes back into the business for either running adverts or waiting for days when you need to buy and send out stocks outside states. 20% goes into paying yourself first, and then 10% goes into your savings for emergencies or for high risk investments and the likes. Now, the more you grow your business, the more personal investment money you have, and the more overall your overall lifestyle improves and gets better. Now, what I usually do that time when I was not, when I was focusing on implementing this was that I usually focus on how can I increase my income so that my 20% will be big. So I can make a lot of money that I can use to do the things I want to do. Because personally, I love buying things. There's nobody who don't love buying things. But I don't buy things unnecessarily because I now have to buy from my budget, from my 20%. You see the advantage of budgeting. You now have to buy from your 20%. But if you do not budget, you want to buy, and when you want to buy, you can buy from everything, more than 100%, and you'll be spending your business money. Your business will not be growing, and it doesn't make any sense. You have to save up money that you can use to grow your business more, scale your business, improve your business. You need money to do that. But if you keep eating everything that comes in, I don't keep planting them back. It's just like a farmer. You take all your seeds and eat them. Which one will you plant next season? Think about it. Okay, so this is basically how you can manage your financial, your income when it comes to your business, e-commerce business. I don't know about other businesses, but this is what I have been using, and this is what I've used to grow my income to a very stable level where I can be able to play with cash anyhow. But even at this point, I still have a budget for everything I do in my life. All right. Now, without a good financial plan, you keep wondering why you're making a lot of money and not seeing the money you are making. You have to be disciplined when it comes to how you spend while fighting to increase your income. Okay. So let me know in the comment section if you've ever been in that position where you are earning, but you keep wondering where all your money keeps going to. Right? So that'll be that for this video. I hope you got a lot of value from it. I hope you learned something. I hope this will help you. I hope you implement it. Okay. If you enjoyed this video, ensure you subscribe to the channel for more content like this that will be hitting you soonest. And make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I drop helpful content like this one on your screen. Okay. And make sure you like this video. Liking this video tells YouTube, it sends the right messages to YouTube that I'm doing the right thing and that my community loves it. Okay, so it won't cost you anything. Just go ahead and like the video. And yeah, that'll be that for this video. I'll see you in my next one. Thank you.